Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to draw a beautiful goldfish and its little aquarium. Let's begin. First, I started by drawing the bowl's top edge. Then I shaped the sides of the bowl. After that, I added the water layer at the top.
Okay.
Now it's time for the fish. I drew a cute little goldfish in the middle of the bowl. Around the fish, I added some bushes, stones, and an oyster to make it lively.
Okay. Ciao, ciao.
Now let's start coloring. First I colored the fish's body and tail bright pink.
Okay. So cute.
Then I used orange for the dorsal fin and pelvic fin.
Hiya.
Oh, the bushes were colored green.
Wow.
For the oyster, I used a soft red color. Next, I colored the left 3 stones with a very soft red and the right 3 stones with a strong orange.
Whoa.
The sand under the water was colored vivid orange. After that, I filled the water with blue to make it look fresh and clear.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
finally, I colored the bowl's top edge with vivid cyan.
Yes.
And at the end, I used a black marker to highlight everything, making the drawing pop.
Oh.
Look how fun and beautiful this little aquarium turned out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.